This is not just another challenge. This is 3,000 days of pain, discipline, and patties. No fries, no cheat days, just burgers. Who would accept something this insane? Today, history will be made. Introducing our contestant. Name, Mr. Tiger. Age, unknown. Favorite food, anything with meat. Motivation, because I can. He doesn't talk. He doesn't complain. He's just here to eat and conquer. Mr. Tiger begins with a classic cheeseburger, a strong start, good form. Hasn't blinked since day 4, possibly locked into burger mode. Attempts to stack 6 burgers, succeeds, regrets nothing. Burger-induced nap, he's dreaming of buns. Tried a tofu burger by accident, silent rage. Invents a new burger move, the double-side chomp. Still going, eyes full of wisdom, stomach full of beef. He's almost there. 1 burger left, destiny awaits. Challenge complete, not a single salad touched, a true icon. They called him mad. They were right, but they also called him champion. What's next? 3,000 days of tacos, burritos, hot dogs? Let us know in the comments. And if you love weird food challenges like this, support Nuktobia on Ko-fi. Every burger helps. This is Nuktobia, where the strange gets stranger. See you in the next bite.